Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. It has been a minute since I've last uploaded a video, but here I am again. Hey. So today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my vintage vanity, which I finally got. Well, actually it's not vintage, but it's vintage inspired. I've been wanting to get one of these babies for like, sure bud, come in. Just peeking through the door. It's not really like a DIY or anything like that. It's more like a show and tell, because I'm so excited that I finally got one. And I know a lot of people have these, but I never have, and I've been wanting one and talking about it forever. I've probably mentioned it in a few videos, so I finally got it. It is like a modern one, so I just want to show you guys how I DIY'd it a little bit and how I decorated it and what it looks like, and hopefully it's just something fun for you guys to watch. Enough rambling, I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. So I bought my vanity off of a used furniture website, but it was actually new in the box. The person who sold it had never used it, so I had to put it together. But before I did that, I did want to paint it, so I decided that I was going to paint it blue because the white just didn't fit my style as much, and I've seen like other vanities painted in like cool different colors, so I wanted to try that out, so I did it. I spray painted this whole baby, let it dry for a while, and then I proceeded to put it together like you do with most IKEA furniture. Wait, except this one's not from IKEA, but the process was basically the same. It's like putting a puzzle together. All right, anyways, once it was all put together, I moved it into my bedroom, and it's time for the decoration, the fun part. To decorate it, I put this little pot of flowers that I DIY'd myself with items from the Dollar Tree, my good old Dollar Tree, this painting of Belle that Mason gifted to me a few years ago from Disney World, my makeup brushes, and then also this little treasure box from our wedding. Placed one of my favorite candles from the Dollar Tree. Gotta love them candles. Some of my favorite thrifted earrings. Love these from the 90s to add some sparkle. One of my vintage compact mirrors. Another necklace that I thrifted for some extra glitz and glom. And then what else? Oh yes, so I have a bunch of vintage makeup, so I wanted a tray. So I got this tray for them from the Dollar Tree actually. It was $1. It's like one of those serving platters for parties. So hack for you there. Good old Dollar Tree, always coming to the rescue. I was gonna buy one online or like try to find it at the thrift store, but they're kind of expensive. But I got this one for $1, and look at that, it looks so cute. And so yeah, this is all of my vintage makeup. If you guys want to take a closer look at it, I actually have a video where I show you guys all this makeup in more detail and my perfumes and everything. True vintage stuff, so I'll link it down below for you. And I didn't put everything out there, so the other stuff I just kind of popped it into another little drawer. Oh, and I cannot forget my actual vanity brush and mirror set that I thrifted recently. Of course, that has to go there too, so I'm keeping that in this drawer right now. But yeah, other than that, that's really it. This is what the final vanity looks like. Candle smells amazing. It's like one of my favorite candles. It smells like marshmallow because that's what the label says. That's really it. This is my vintage inspired vanity. Finally have this baby. Like I said, I've been wanting one for a really long time. It's like a little girl's dream, you know? I don't think I ever had one. I would play with my friends when I would go over to their house, but I never had one growing up, but I know a lot of gals did. And it's just fun. Honestly, right now it's more like a prop more than anything for me. Like I don't even want to put my real stuff or anything. Not real stuff, like my real stuff is on here, but like my regular makeup, because I just wanted to look so cute with like vintage makeup that I have and my little props and whatnot. But probably eventually this will look like a mess with more things on it. So that's it. That's my vintage vanity. Not much else to say. I kind of just wanted to show you guys how I put it together, painted it to change it up a little bit, and decorated it. It's kind of like one of those decorate with me videos. Yeah, right now is like time to like do stuff around your house. So I'm finally getting to a lot of things that I haven't gotten in a really long time. Shame on me. Hope everyone is doing well. As always, sending you a super duper big virtual hug wherever it is that you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! What are you doing, Papa? You know you're not allowed to do that. Oh, God. Charlie. Charlie, boo-boo. Charlie. What are you doing? Oh, no. You got the sniffles. You got the sniffles? What are you doing, poppers? Oh.